2 strokes. Hit.
San Diego. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2 strokes. Back set. Hit. All right, get ready. Light hold.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice speed. Lengthen, but still strong. I need you guys now.
Now, lift leg.
Nice carry.
Push now! Make a move! Walk it up! Walk it up! Longer! Closing it! Push!
Get ready.
Now!
All right, we're gonna make our move out of the turn. Push, push now. Come on, guys, let's get him. Strong. Nice. Now let's get the next. Fight the wash. Back half legs. Nice clean walk. You got it. You're on them now. Catch him. Nice lift.
Another boat ahead. Red 2, San Diego, you are right away. You are right away.
Down 3. Down 3. Let's hop on their wake in 3, 2, 1. Hop on it. You're so close. Just one more on. Carry, keep it here. Stay on them. That's all you need. Stay on them. All right, fight through it. Let's boost in 3, 2, 1. Take them. Carry. All right, get ready. Perfect, guys. Keep it strong. All right, you know what to do. Last float. We're gonna get out of their wash, and we're gonna hop on their wake. I need a carry. Bodies moving. You're walking. Keep that moving. One. Carry, ride it, fight it, grab,